Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the brutal scalps indicator, and we will see that it can also be used for larger time frames. On this chart I have Cardano on the daily chart, and we will see that in all these trades that the algorithm has taken, we only miss a few. So let's start with the beginning. We have a first sell signal that hits TP2. Here we have consecutive signals in the opposite direction. What happens in this case is that we will follow the second signal and we will close the first one, meaning that the first one was invalidated. The first one in this case was identified as a strong buy because of the relationship of the current candle that has closed with the other previous candles and the look-back period. The second signal has hit 3 TPs, followed by another signal that has hit 1 take profit, followed by another one that has hit 1 take profit here, followed by 2 that have hit 3 take profits, another one that has hit 1 take profit here. If we would zoom in on smaller time frames, we would see that the signal was displayed before the wick has hit TP1. Then we continue to another short where we hit TP1. We have 3 take profits here. We have 2 take profits here because we would have exited before the stop loss. We moved our stop loss to entry. Another 3 take profits here. Take profit 1. We have another 3 take profits here. Here would have been a good idea to use trailing stop loss in profit, and the price moved up, of course, with the market. Another 1 take profit here, a strong sell signal that has hit 3 take profits with this long wick right here. We have hit 2 take profits in this one. Now we are coming back to short, and where we hit 2 take profits, another short consecutive that strengthens the idea that we are in a downtrend. And here we take 2 take profits because we leave before we moved our stop loss to entry. And now we have another 2 consecutive signals. The first one has hit 3 take profits, and the second one is still running because we haven't finished the formation yet. We are not out of the trade, we only just barely hit TP1. We are waiting for the next candles to happen. So this is just to show you that brutal scalps can be used on larger time frames. By the way, these are the settings that I used. So I'm using a 3-day time frame for the trend detection, and I'm using the normal ATR length with a multiplier of 2.8 for the stop loss, TP1 0.8, TP2 1.9, TP3 3.9. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.